Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Mr. Hanis. My name is Nizam. So today I would like to present my web application development project. So I have developed a web project called COMET that stands for Community Engagement Management System. This project are going to be used by the CYCUM in managing their community engagement project systematically. This is because currently CYC are managing their projects manually, so it's quite hard for the staff to search for past projects to be reviewed again. So now without further ado, I will start demonstrating the system. This is the login page of the system. So the user will need to enter their email and also their password. In case they forgot their credentials, they can click on this forgotten password and then it will display this page, and then the user will be needed to enter their email address so that the system will check if the email address exists in the database or not. If it doesn't exist, it will not continue sending the email address. But if it does exist in the database, it will send a reset password request to the email, and then the user can click on that link to reset the password. And then also user can register by clicking on this register button, and then a user can insert the image. For example, we'll choose this image, and also the name. And the system only accepts UM email. So if I add an email other than UM, it will show an error that I need to insert a UM email. I'm going to use this email, and then I can choose the center of responsibility. I'm going to choose and then the password. So for the password, so the user will need to enter the same password for both of these password field, or else the system will detect it as error. Then enter the extension number, then click on register. Now I have registered into the system. As you can see, my email is listed in here. Now I'm going to log into the system. First, the system will show an alert dialog saying that welcoming the user. So in this page, this is the index page. It's going to display and list all of the registered projects inside the system. So for example, if this user is an admin or as the head of department for that department, it will be displayed a project that has been registered under that department only. But if this user is just a normal user, so the project will only display all the project that has been registered under that user only. So this is actually the admin page. As you can see, there's an option called dashboard here. Only admin can see this dashboard. For the normal user, they cannot see this option. So if the admin click on this, it will show the pie chart, all the registered project inside the system, like for each category, for the scope, which category are the most registered project. For example, like economy, they got 4 projects registered under that scope. And then for center of responsibility, and one is from SME Bank, and one is from Institute Pemikiran Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. And then for the sustained development goal, there's also a percentage and also showing that the pie chart of the projects that has been registered under this category. And then we also able to display the number of program that has ended and also still active. And beside this pie chart, it will also display a table, total of the program or project that has been registered inside the system, and the total number of the agency for all of the project, and also the amount of funds that has been received for all of the project. Now I'm going back to the index page. So as you can see now, here is the project that has been declared as finished. So I'm going to change this project to pending. Now, as you can see, the status of this project has become pending as I have changed it in the database. So if the admin click on this button, it will be displayed with this interface. So the admin can look at all the details like the introduction, the background, and the objective of this project, and many others. So the admin can click on this letter to download it from this project. So pop-up link for download this file has popped up. So I can just click on start download. And also same for other documents. And if I click on this list of AJK, it releases all of the AJK that is related to this project or registered under this project. It will display the staff ID, the name, and the organization. I'm going to go back. So now I will authorize this project to become as active. So I'll just click on this button. So an alert dialog has popped up saying that the project has been authorized. So now as you can see, the status of this project has become active. Now I will log in using the normal user account. Now I have logged in using normal user account, and the status is now the status of this project has become active, and I can update this project to send a report of this project. So since this project end date has already due, so if you click on this update, it will show this interface showing that to send a final updates for this project before it is declared as finished. So now I will change the date, the end date for this project. Now I have changed the end date of this project. So if I click on update, it will show this interface. This interface is to upload like a report every 6 months. So the head of department can monitor this project. So I'm going to choose this file, and then for this I'm going to use dummy text. Then click on save. Now the project report has been updated. Now I will log in using the head of department account. So I can look at the update this project. At the bottom of this table, you will display a report. So click on this report and it will show all the details and all the data that has been inserted by the user to be reviewed by the head of department. And the head of department can also click on this button to download and to look at the reports document for this project. And then I'm going to declare this project as N. So I will change the end date for this project. So as you can see now, I have changed the end date of this project, which is already due. So if we click on this button, still it will display the details of this project and showing that The evidence of this program has not been uploaded since. This is because the user haven't uploaded anything into the system yet. So I will log in using the normal user account. Click on update. Then I will insert the updates for this project to be declared as N. Now I have uploaded into the system. I will log in using the admin account. So now the row at the bottom of this table has become clickable, which is showing that there's text that can be clicked. So the admin can look at all the data and the details that has been inserted by the user and download all of the document has been uploaded by the user. Other than that, the admin can also rate this project in case after it has gone through all the details of the project and all the evidence and all the reports. Maybe the star rating might need to be reduced. So maybe the admin can click on 4-star and then click on back and click confirm finish. So another alert showing that the project has been updated. And now the status of this project has become finished. Other than that, the system also has searching features, which is to search for a project in case there's a lot of project has been registered inside the system. So I'm going to choose star rating. I'm going to display all the projects that is getting a 3-star and then click search. The system will display all the project that has achieved 3-star rating. And then user can also click on this print to print this page and click save. User can also update their profile. In case they want to change their picture, they can choose this image and then click image. And choose this image. And also change my name. And then also the password if they want to change it. So they can insert into this text box, or if they don't want to change it, they can just leave it blank. And then click on save. As you can see, my name has been updated with a new name. That's all from me. Thank you.